Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel Artepics. I am Payal.
In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy tribal art. When I scrolled Google, then I suddenly came across this type of painting and then I determined to create something like this. I try to make it with an easy way so that anyone can make this type of painting.
Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen.
For this painting, you do not need too much color. You only need yellow, red, black and white. Oh shit! Okay, let's cover it with some color. This is the final look and I am very satisfied with the result. Everything is under control. I hope you enjoy my painting. If you like this painting, then please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to be a part of my little art family. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.